Hello guys, this is Frank, the Anointed FX. It's a normally weekly outlook on the currency pairs, meta, and indices and the rest of them. Okay, this is an disclaimer. This channel is only for educational purposes, and all videos, presentations, and narratives are only for educational purposes and are not intended as an investment advice. You can implement this while trading at your own risk and after consulting your financial advisor. So, guys, it's very important that you learn to trade. Of course, I told you that there will be a series coming on this channel concerning trading, analyzing trading. There's a trade I traded last Friday, US dollar, Japanese yen. I will review it with a video and show you how I entered, how I was able to make profit from that trade, so that you will learn one or two things from the video. Okay, so without more time, let us kick into our weekly outlook. If you have been following this channel, remember last week I talked about this dollar index, and I said that I'm not selling it again. I'm sorry, I'm not buying it again. This box, the mark area for DSY reversal. This is my marked area. So as it's in the market area, I'm not buying. I'm not thinking of buying because I know that it's coming to an end. But I'm not interested in any buying. Even if it goes up, I'm not buying. But I've seen sell. When you look at it, discover that the sell has been confirmed fully. You can see the bullish bar went up here and break the bullish bar, bearish bar went up here and break the low and break this low, this low here. So he has confirmed bullish, confirmed a bearish trade. It's a bearish now, not bullish. Totally confirmed bearish. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting it to come back to do a correction. You may see a correction by beginning of or middle of next week, or by beginning of next week. A correction may come to this belly place and then a drop, and it may go down a little bit before a correction comes and a drop. So any which one, we'll be looking to find out what will happen. That is all for the SY. Cool. Euro US dollar. As I told you earlier, Euro US dollar is an inverse of DSY. It's an inverse of DSY. US dollar, I tell you US dollar, I bought it from this area and it come up to the. I told you before that I'm no longer selling US dollar in the last video. Last week video break out from this very level. Don't mind this. Last video that he has completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I expected it to reverse and a bullish continuation. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting Euro USD to come up to this very level, this to break this level. Once that level break, I expected a correction here before another will come. So what am I expecting? Once I see a small correction here, a small correction, I will buy to this very level. That is how I'm going to trace this Euro US dollar. Okay. This is Great Britain. Great Britain yuan. This is Great Britain US dollar. So this Great Britain come to touch this value place. We touched that 8% of PB ratio and a bounce back. But I expected it to come deeper than that. I expected it to come deeper than that to this very box or even here before. But see that you are reversed already. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for a buy, a correction. I say correction here. I'll buy it to this very level first because there is an order block on this level which may trigger some sales. And looking at it, if you break that pass to that place, then This place will be an easy ride. This place will be an easy ride. So that is so I'm telling you that the rate between US dollar is bullish already. He has reversed to become bullish like Euro US dollar. The same goes here. The same goes to this pair AUD, Australian dollar US dollar. He has confirmed bullish by breaking this place. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting a continued movement from next week. You will see continue to go up to this very point before they give a deep correction. Then another up will continue. So that is what I'm expecting from this pair. The same with this dollar pair. This is NZ dollar, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. So all the same, all the same. The bullish, I expected to do some correction from here, come to this other block before flying. But markets have the final say. Market may not come there. Market decided to touch, just touch here and go his way. So anyway, I'm bullish on this pair. I'm bullish here. So I'm looking for buy opportunity. Okay, this is US dollar Swiss francs. As I told you earlier, I'm no longer buying it. It's a time for sale. When you look at it, it's a truly time for sale. Now I take profit maybe around here or even here. This is take profit should be here should be an inducement. Here will be an inducement where this other block will be our entry of bullish entry. So we're ready to do some correction down before bullish continue. But meanwhile, in lower time frame, I expect to do some correction towards this place or even this place before a drop. It's all for New Zealand Swiss francs. US dollar. US dollar is a sell. As you can see, when you watch the news on is it Friday morning when the Japanese yen increased their interest rates, it's a sign that Japanese yen is going to be more stronger. It's a sign that strong economy for Japanese yen. So it means that yen will begin to have some strength starting from next month, starting from next week. So I wanted it to fall, I wanted it to break here and fall, then do some correction to this other block before continuation. Just like this, let me show you. I expected something like this, falling here to break this line, then come up to this very point, then continue. That's what I expected from this yen. Canada yen, same thing. Same goes with Canada yen. Same here. You can see another block there. The market kept the other block ejected. And I expected the market to come up here and then continue selling. Or it may break the up and come up here before sell. So any which one, I'll be looking at it to find out how to trade it. All the Ampere did the same thing. All the Ampere was expecting. Of course, you know about this guy I told you about ABC that is going to come up to this belly point. This is my selling point before a sale starts. So this is Euro Japanese yen. So what I'm looking for here in Japanese yen is I will look for a correction down here and then buy again to here. That is all for Euro Japanese yen. Euro Japanese yen, of course, obeying what I'm trying to do. I bought it, hit the other block here, reverse and coming up here. So I expected it to come to this very point, this very place. This is my expectation. This very place expected to come there and then reverse from there down. That is what I am expecting. Wow, this is Great Britain yuan. Great Britain yuan. Okay, this is where I'm expecting it to land. Expected to land there. It's going to close here. I drop a bit, then come up here and then drop. Or sometimes it may even break here and come up before I drop. So any which one, you're moving exactly as we plan. Okay, this is US start. I've analyzed US start, but what I'm expecting here. Okay, last week I said that US start is expected to drop from here down, but I see you can see it climbing, flying so high. Okay, I see there is another block here. There is another block. It is very place. And they have touched that. He has it closed the other block. No, he has not closed. But they have come to the favorable gap. I have to come back. Well, I'll be looking at it, knowing whether we're going to drop from here down. US 100 in this. US 100, this is okay. It came to this other block and it has begun to drop. So what are we expecting? I'm expecting it to come to this very other block. This one here, it may come to the lower place like this, drop to here, then move up again. I assume that the correction is over already. That is all for NAS 200. Gold. Gold is supposed to sell, but it have been flying, flying, flying so high. So looking at it, it came to this other block rejected. So you may see some sell from here to this very place before any buyer will come. Whether buyer is going to break up or is going to stop here and drop. So, but I expected a drop from good. First of all, I'm going to see it closing this big fair value gap, coming to this other block. That is number one thing before anybody. So I'll be selling it down by next week to get to this very place. So once this place is immigrated and deleted, you see, once this place is liquidated, then I know that it's going to come up a little bit, then give us another drop. That is all for good. Silver, the king of inducement. Silver, the king of inducement. Look at Silver. Instead of it to correct more and drop, he went and induced the up, induce everywhere, and then drop again. That is why I call it the king of inducement. He normally induce every inducible. So I'll say bearish on Silver. I expect it to drop from, I expect it to come up a little bit. Maybe you're going to come up here, this very place, before you drop. But looking at it, it may not come. It may not come up there again. I say I've touched this very place, close this value gap, and what I'm seeing at this very place is building up liquidity. So liquidity, there is liquidity here, there's liquidity here. So it may try to come up, liquidate that place to this place, and then drop down. That is what I expect in silver. Cryptocurrency, Ripple. So as I said last week, that if you are still buying crypto or still having crypto in your portfolio, it is very dangerous now because I don't see anything in crypto will do again. I think crypto has completed this completed its final move. This is wave 4 and this is wave 5. So what I'm expecting in crypto is a massive sell. And if you know about crypto seasonality, you know from February, crypto will start falling. February 14, crypto will start falling. After the bullish year, the next year, February, start falling. So if you're having your crypto, this is my personal advice, not a financial advice. it's good that you convert them to USDT and wait for a selling setup. Okay, this is repo. Wow. People do almost what is it? 1:3. Okay, 3 hour. What's 3 hour? See how the Solana do it 3 hour. Wow. This is very good. I didn't trade it though. I don't even pay attention to crypto because I'm going to lose interest on the crypto because of the time. The time is the timing of crypto is coming to an end. So it's not good to trade again. So looking at this crypto, this is wave 3. This is wave 4. So there wave 5 to come up here, but looking at what the market is doing, it might be too difficult for him to come up. It will come up here, but it will come so sluggishly, and it get to this place. Once it get to this place, it's going to drop big. So it's dangerous for buy Bitcoin now. Better hold your money till next 2 years. VET, VET supposed to climb, but I think the buyers and investors are run away, and they don't see it coming up again. They don't feel comfortable buying it again. That is why it remains stunted in this very place. Once again, R ARB. Okay, ARB. I expect it to come up and give us some serious correction to this very point before it drop. But any which one, we'll be looking at it and see what will take place. Polygon. Polygon is supposed to come up also to this very place and give us a drop. What's it again? Ethereum was so disappointing. Ethereum was a disappointing pair of this very bull run. I expected Ethereum to come at least um at least 4,000 something, even 5,000. But Ethereum did not make it to 5,000. So there's no new high for Ethereum. It did not make any new high. So the coin was so disappointing to me in this bull run. I didn't see it. It did well. It didn't see it as a coin that did well because it didn't make what I expected of it to do. But meanwhile, I'm seeing some bullish movement of Ethereum, maybe from here to this very place before a drop. That's what I see. Sue, one of the best pairs that I love. They did great in this bull run. Sue and Repo did very great in this bull run. Sue and Repo they did very great. So I buying on Sue here fell. So I started Sue to come to $7, $5, but looking at it, I don't see it coming there again. It seems that Sue coin has lost so much confidence. Because I look at much confidence on Sue coins. What am I expecting? I'm expecting an up move. Maybe an up move to this value to $6. To $6, then it drop. That's what I expected on Sue. That's what I expected on Sue. So what again? Okay, this crazy pair. This crazy pair. Euro. This is an Australian dollar. Very crazy pair. See what he's doing there. This is another block. This is the favor look. So see what he's doing there. I've been playing mantics there. Have not been easy. So I expected it to come up by Monday to this very point. Even here before you drop. Not definitely in this coin because looking at what is happening here. This is A, B, C. This is A, B, C. This is A, B, C. So I have to analyze it properly to know the patterns of what is happening. Because this is why I left it because I'm not trading it. Looking at it, I don't like trading the pair like that. Okay, that is all, guys. This is the final pair here. That is all. Remember to give us a subscription. Remember to like our video. Give us a temple like and you can ask your question, whatever you don't understand. Ask your question. Remember that it's coming a series of videos of analyzing market. The series will consist of Elliott wave, ITC, and the rest of them. So stay tuned. Subscribe to the channel. You will get to know how to enter good trades. Okay, guys. Bye for now.